welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about get out of comfort zone. First thing is that I am still trying to film something that could be landscape or could be street photography, the POV, all the stuff. But the one thing that I wanted to do, but I was really afraid of doing so, and it was photographing like people really close range. For example, as you may know, if you subscribe my channel, I'm using Fuji X100V, and it has 35mm equivalent of full frame, so it's quite wide lens, and it means you have to really get close to this person and take photos. Yeah, this is something that quite challenging for me, because I am still really afraid that, oh, what if there's some guy that I photographed just come to me and they say like, oh, did you take my pictures, and just why you're taking that, that's just something that I'm still worried about. So today I will show you a couple of photos that I try to challenge myself and get out of comfort zone in order to photograph people with a close range. I used to do it before, but I was doing it with the digital zoom. In the X100V, you can actually switch from 35 to 50 and 70, but I feel like this is just digital zoom, and you don't even switch the lens, possibly losing some quality of photos. After my experiment, I feel like there are some ways to avoid confrontation, so just being sneaky. The first example that I was actually doing is that I'm just pretend that I'm photographed behind them, and people are kind of getting knows this me that I'm photographed, but I just pass through them, and still I'm holding my camera, and then even if they think that I'm photographed them, I just pretend I'm just keep going. In other things that I was doing and I'm still doing, then I'm looking at the viewfinder, so like that. Once I take a photograph, I just kind of touching the camera, just like that. I don't know what I'm doing. In this context, you're just trying to photograph someone, and you find the subject that you wanted to photograph, and you are really afraid that this person will come to you and say what you're doing. Most of the time it's not gonna happen, because it's of course how you photograph people might make those people uncomfortable, so it really depends on you guys. I'm trying to not disturb people, just I don't even want them to feel uncomfortable, so we just click and that's it. So to sum up, I'm quite a shy person, and maybe that's why I couldn't actually get out of this comfort zone. If there's some guys out there who also feel exactly the same thing, oh, I wanted to try it, at least I wanted to try it, but I'm not sure if this is the right things for me. Maybe you can try. I wanted to try to see if it works for you. And what I learned from this is that for sure I will keep doing it. Let me know if you have some opinion about it. Please let me know, and please leave the comment down below. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. My subscribers are getting bigger now. It's 360 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will keep posting those contents, POV, in different country or different city or the same cities. Yeah, I'll be really excited to release upcoming videos. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit notification bell, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.